a flat disk,
No.
correct? Okay.
So no flat earther believes that, my friend. Not a single one.
So what shape, or if you believe that the Earth is flat, I mean...
Here, let me state my position in full before we start the conversation.
Sure.
My position that the Earth is a level topographical plane, meaning it has hills, it has valleys, it has highs, it has lows. But overall, over the ocean, which covers 71% of the Earth's surface, that adheres to the laws of fluid mechanics, my friend. And it is laying level at the surface and taking the shape of its container, as per every other water source that we ever see on a small scale and a large scale, including like Olympic swimming pools, like the examples I've been using.
Sure.
So the Earth is a level topographical plane that is possibly infinite. Infinite down, infinite out. I haven't confirmed there's an edge to the bottom or to the sides. It's possibly infinite. And we exist at the basement of the universe. We are enclosed by the firmament, which gives pressure to the atmosphere, and we are stationary and everything revolves around us. We are at the center of the universe.
Okay. So then can you please give me your explanation, geometrical explanation, as to why a lunar eclipse, okay, the shape of a lunar eclipse is always circular. Okay, that's just observable, right? And when you cast a shadow off of an object, namely a sphere, it will always produce a circular shadow.
Oh, does it? Does it do that? If you cast a circular shadow onto it, if you take a sphere and cast a shadow onto another sphere, is it always curved?
What I mean to say is its shadow from a light behind.
Help him out. Is it always curved? If we take a flashlight like Angels of Light does, we take a sphere and we cast that circular shadow onto another sphere. Is it always round, chat? Seems like these guys know something. Nope. You know why they're saying no? It's because it's always a straight line. Always.
That is geometrically incorrect. I mean, you're arguing basic geometry.
Angels, are you in here? Tell me Angels of Light is in here. Come on. I think he watches my show here and there. Angels of Light will do it for you live right now. If he's in here, he will literally do it. And you are making it. Dude, I would slow your roll on the confidence. Do you think I would say something so confidently after doing this for 6 years?
A lot of people say a lot of stupid things pretty confidently.
Yeah, I'm not one of them. Yeah. You're doing that right now. If you take a sphere, do you have 2 spheres? Do you have 2 tennis balls in your house?
I mean, I can, sure.
Yeah. Can you go get them and a flashlight?
Okay.
Enoch, get Angels in here right now. Angels will be better. It'll be faster. Angels always has it set up. He always does it. But yeah, that is a geometric fact that, and what we can replicate in reality if we cast I don't want to show the video, Steven. I don't want to take it off. I'm just hoping that he's here. But if he's not, we can just state it. It's a fact. If you cast a shadow falls in your house.
This is wildly accepted as basic geometry. You are in the minority that is disproving that claim. So it's you, the bearer of evidence is on you.
And I'm saying you can find plenty of videos of this. Well, it's totally fine, but I did send you an invite if you're home in your Viv. I don't know if you're driving or something like that, but this will be so funny. But it sounds like he's going to learn himself right now. So, but also, while you're getting your thing set up and you're going to try your little experiment, we have impossible eclipses where the sun and the moon are both seen above the horizon during the lunar eclipse, which makes it a geometric impossibility that we are in between them casting the shadow, by the way.
I have a little Pokeball toy that my son has here, and I put it up against another one of his circular ball toys here, casted a light, and it is circular. So I'm not sure.
Let's see it. Turn on your camera. Let's see it.
I'm not turning my camera on.
Oh, so you're not going to show it?
I mean, anyone in the audience can do this themselves. Just take 2 balls, line them up, and cast, turn your iPhone light on behind the first ball, cast on the second, and it is a circular shadow.
We can't see your observation, really. Please, dude, you don't even have to show your face, bro. I need to see it to tell you what you're doing wrong.
If we're disputing just something that is so simply observable, I mean, where do you draw the line when it comes to,
I need to see this observation. Please let me see it.
I mean, you've instructed.
I don't believe you're doing it. Chat doesn't believe you're doing it. I think you're lying, bro. Show them you're not a liar. Come on. The whole chat is saying, show us, you're a liar, you're lying, you're not doing it. Can you turn on your camera rapidly to not? They're gonna start questioning if you ever did it. If you start rummaging around, if you don't hurry.
No, I'm not going to turn my camera on to show a circular shadow behind 2 tennis balls or 2 ball-like figures. I think that's pretty common for anyone to do themselves.
You are more dogmatic than I previously thought, my friend. Do you have any other points? I've thoroughly destroyed this one. I think it's boring to stay on it. Do you have any others?
You didn't disprove it at all.
Explain an impossible eclipse.
Your whole basis.
Can you straw man what I said about an impossible eclipse to show that you were actually listening?
Your entire basis of your argument is based off the fact that a debater is not turning on his camera.
No. Can you steel man the Selenilian eclipse and the offering that I just made to you, please?
I'm sorry. Repeat what were you saying?
You weren't listening?
Of course not.
Oh, okay. Yep, crash out. There we go. Yeah, once you say you're not listening...
I've got a little demonstration set up with a flashlight, the Earth, and the moon as a golf ball. Now, we see it casts a circular shadow on the wall. But check this out, guys. Check out the shadow. It's not going to be circular. It's a straight line. So you can go check this out for yourself, guys. 2 spheres doesn't cast a circular shadow. It casts a straight line. I had 2 cameras set up on the last lunar eclipse that was happening in Australia. My infrared camera on the top there, the Nikon P900, saw no eclipse. And the P1000 saw the supposed shadow. And this was taken at exactly the same time. So how does my infrared camera remove shadows when it can see shadows?
And as you can see, the P900 full spectrum is not seeing an eclipse, it's seeing the face of the moon. But the 1000 is seeing a shadow, or the supposed shadow. The P900 doesn't see it. So somehow full spectrum or infrared removes the so-called shadow.